friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel. I hope you must be healthy, hearty, fit and fine. Today's topic is related to the tooth. I had already prepared one or two videos on the tooth process, teething process. This is little bit advanced. When to start the brushing in the children. Once you decide to start the brushing, then two things you have to buy. One is the brush and one is the paste. So what are the things you have to keep in your mind when you are buying the brush and the paste for the children? And there are again so many queries how to make the child brush, because that is a challenge for the parents. How many times in a day we have to do the brushings? All these queries I will answer today. Watch this video till the end. It will give you important information regarding the brushing to the babies. Friends, first and foremost question, when to start the brushing in the babies? Tooth brushing to start as and when first tooth erupts. You know the first tooth which erupts in the baby is the lower incisor tooth. The central tooth which is coming, it is known as incisor tooth. As soon as first tooth erupts, you have to start brushing. Before that also, you require to take the care of the gums. So what you will do, like take a clean warm water and clean the gums. This is the process before start tooth has erupted. So wash your hand cleanly, take little bit warm water and do the little massage and clean the gums. That is very important because the hygiene of the gum facilitate the normal teething process and the clean teething process and almost undisturbing teething process. So that's why you have to clean the gums of the babies before the tooth is erupted. Once the tooth is erupted, somewhere around 6 or 7 months of the child, the lower incisor tooth will start coming up. But again, that time frame is different for each individual. In some children, it may start around 1 to 1.5 years also. So that is not the delayed tooth eruption, that is a normal tooth eruption. No need to give any medications for the tooth eruption like the vitamin D, calcium, calcarea pro, so many medications parents are giving. But this is a natural process, doesn't require any medication. Unless and until in some small subset of the children where the tooth eruption is delayed more than 18 months, then maybe some medications are required. So if the tooth is little delayed by around 8 months, 10 months, no need to start any medications. Now, once tooth is erupted, you have to start cleaning the tooth. So how will you clean the tooth? Maybe you have to buy the toothbrush. Toothbrush can be different type. One simple toothbrush known as a finger toothbrush, which I am showing in this picture. This simple finger toothbrush you can buy. It is, as its name suggests, it is a finger toothbrush. So you have to put it on your finger, you have to wear it on the finger so that bristle will be out and you just clean the tooth by that finger toothbrush. Yes, children will find it is uncomfortable and it is difficult also many times to brush the children. So suppose if you are finding more difficulty with the finger brush, you can do it with your plain finger also. You can just apply little amount of the toothpaste and you can clean that one. Now next question, the toothpaste. Which toothpaste to buy? What is the basic difference between the toothpaste of the adult and the babies? The basic difference is about the fluoride content. The fluoride content of the baby's toothbrush are small, because if you will do the brushing with the adult toothpaste, they will get lot of amount of the fluoride and it will make lot of amount of the small white spots over the tooth if you are doing the brushing with the adult toothpaste. Now, how to encourage the child to do the brushing? Because brushing is a difficult process, because child cannot sit at a place, child will not follow your command. So how you can encourage the babies for the brushing? For that, you have to become the role model. So whenever you are brushing, keep the child with you. Let the child see you that how you are doing the brushing. Give brush in the baby's hand, let the baby rub, no problem. Just wet the bristles and let the baby rub. Then you apply the toothpaste. How much toothpaste to apply? Less than 1 year baby, just a smear of the toothpaste is enough. More than 1 year of baby, pea size of the toothpaste is required. Whenever you buy the toothpaste, you always check the box of the toothpaste that this toothpaste is for which age. There must be the age written on it, 1 to 2 years, 2 to 5 years, like that. So based on that you can buy the toothpaste. Whenever you buy the toothbrush, always check about the bristles of the toothbrush. It should be very soft, otherwise it will damage the gums of the baby. At least twice a day brushing is required. Before sleep, toothbrush is very important. And many times I am noticing that the parents are giving the milk by the bottle. While taking the milk by the bottle, child sleeps, so that they are not able to brush the baby's teeth. So this can cause the decay, tooth decay, दांत का सड़ा हो जाता. So that's why it is very important to remove bottle early in the age. Maybe by 1 year of the age you should come out of the bottle, milk bottle. Never give the feeding before sleep, and if you have to give, then at least you clean the tooth by the finger or by the toothpaste, whatever way is convenient, but the cleaning is very important. Twice brushing is very important. I hope I have cleared many questions or many doubts related to the brushing and the pest in the children. If you still have any queries, you can put in the comment box. I will answer that one. Do watch my previous 2 videos on the teething, which are the basic information: when the tooth erupts, how the tooth erupts, and what you have to do while the tooth is erupting. If the child has a pain, how you can handle that one. All these things I have explained in my previous 2 tooth video. If you are first time on my YouTube channel, you can subscribe, and if you like this information, share the like button so that YouTube sends this video to the other YouTube viewers, so that they also get the information about this. Thank you very much.